In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in GoDaddy website. We'll walk through the exact settings you need, explain what each option means, and finish with a quick way to confirm everything's working. Start in your GoDaddy website dashboard. From there, open your store settings by going to Store or Commerce, then Settings, and select Tax. If you need the link to get to the GoDaddy dashboard, I've placed it right at the top of the description so you can jump in quickly. If you prefer managing on mobile, I've also included the GoDaddy app link there for convenience. Inside the tax section, turn on the option to manually add taxes. This tells GoDaddy you want to specify your own rates instead of relying on automatic calculations. Next, choose Add to create your first tax rule. You'll begin by selecting the country or region where you sell. If you only serve one country, that's straightforward. If you sell to multiple areas, you'll add separate rules. You can target specific states or provinces, or apply a rule to the whole country, depending on your needs and local requirements. Give your rule a clear tax category name, like food or home goods, so you can recognize it later, and enter the rate as a percentage based on your jurisdiction. If you have a tax ID, you can add it here, and you can also set the customer-facing display text so checkout labels are clear to your shoppers. If your product prices already include tax, make sure to check the option that indicates that, so the system doesn't add tax on top of a tax-inclusive price. Repeat this process to add rules for additional locations or product categories as needed. Keeping categories organized can help you manage changes over time without confusion. When you're done, run a quick test. Place test orders using addresses from different locations to confirm the correct rates appear at checkout. This simple check helps you catch any rule that might be too broad or too narrow before real customers run into it. A few important notes before we wrap up. Tax laws vary widely, so it's smart to consult a qualified tax advisor to confirm your rates and ensure compliance. GoDaddy helps you set up and calculate taxes, but it does not file or pay them for you. You remain responsible for filing and remittance. And if you're using the newer GoDaddy payments or catalog experience, the path is Dashboard, then Catalog, then Taxes, where you'll create a tax name, set the percentage, and apply it. That's it for setting up taxes in GoDaddy. Thanks for watching.